What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this new video on Agix. Wanted to make a quick video on that since we just had, yesterday we got quite a major bearish breakout. We broke out of the market structure and we are trending again, but not in a positive way. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts, kind of prepare you for today, but also the beginning of next week, what to expect. Can we still find some support? Or are we going to drop down lower? Excuse me, I just saw something flying by. UFO probably, but that's what we'll talk about kind of in this in these weird market circumstances. Bitcoin right now is fairly bearish, but we are barely moving. There's right now also you can see that for Agix there's barely any volume. Volume went up a bit after we dropped down yesterday, but before that the volume was around 30 million, which as you can also see over the last 3 months is pretty low for Agix. So yeah, before we get into the rest of Agix, if you want to receive daily trading signals, where even in these market circumstances we are making profit, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now let's get on further with Agix. So first of all, to briefly touch upon the fundamentals, I think the AI narrative is at least paused. All right, I don't think we will get momentum from that, and we haven't gotten a momentum from that, even though there were significant developments. So you could also say it's over. I choose to say it's paused at the very least, but it looks. I would definitely understand if you say it's over. All right, and then technically, what we talked about earlier is that we were kind of right here. We were consolidating. The ADX was below 20. Sure, we were finding way more resistance at our resistance levels than support at our support levels, but we were fine. But then we kind of lost our volume, lost our liquidity. And what happens if you lose volume? It's easier to break through levels because there's less money actually holding it up. So I think that together with the bearish momentum we have experienced a bit from Bitcoin, not too much, but even the smallest bearish momentum is already felt for altcoins. That caused us, and in general, perhaps we were also still trending down on the daily timeframes, for example, if you zoom out. But that caused us to break down below this major level right here around 39 and ultimately 40 cents. We gave that up as a support, confirmed it by taking a break retest earlier this morning, and now we're dropping. I expect us to continue this drop down to, well, we're at some support right now at 37 cents, but as I said, in my eyes, we have definitely confirmed the bearish breakout, so I think we'll drop down to this level here around 36, 35 cents. And then from there, I do think we will hold that. And then to next week, which is, well, I think a good thing for us, I expect momentum for Bitcoin. And that could very well be bullish momentum. We have, for example, on Wednesday, the inflation rate numbers. If those are actually lower than expected, I'm sure that Agix can actually bounce back up and break above 39 cents and perhaps start some sort of an uptrend or at least consolidate at higher levels. But that is very dependent on what the market does. If the market just stays the same way, I would think that we could find support at 35 cents, but it wouldn't last. And at some point we would also drop down to 30 cents, I think. So yeah, it doesn't look too well for Agix. Just in general, the volume is dropping down, even though over the last 24 hours it has gone up a bit. But overall it's dropping down. Overall it is losing hype and momentum, and yeah, especially just a little bit of hype and trendingness. But yeah, these are my thoughts on that. I'll keep you updated, of course, also related to events happening next week. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.